A very blossom evening to everyone. Hello everyone, I am Rehan. Today I got the opportunity to explain the question that is given by my dear ma'am. So basically the question is that there are many times some things that come in our life that we all are responsible for it and we also are involved in it. But sometimes we are just unable to make it necessary, and that's just because of our mind, because our mind got overwhelmed on it and we are unable to do it. So today I will tell you that how, if the type of condition come in our life, so how to solve it and how to do better. Stop. Basically, according to my answer, I would say that there is a boy who is just lagged off in his interest. Imagine a boy who came in 10th and just got a new maturity life in first time. At first, his teacher motivated him that the 10th will be a pleasure to him because it is the stage where everyone hit the maturity and get serious. But after getting the all motivations from the different peoples, he will be just messed up in his mind because the different thing from the different people will mess his mind. Because whenever he will listen the thoughts of other person, so he will think that this will be more good, but he will not ever think from his own mind that what is good for him. So obviously he will just be messed up, and from this it will be a mental issue, and it can be very dangerous to him because a mental health is very injurious from the persons who are getting motivation and who is getting counseling to him. It will be a good, but it depends on what stage he is getting and in which type of information he is kind of getting all the things. So obviously it depends on his interest. Like if someone suggested him that you should take PCM in after 10th, but the person loves humanities and he doesn't want to be any kind of engineer or other thing, but according to the peoples he will be forced. So if he took it, so obviously it will be a bad opportunity for him because he will be lagged in his interest in which he is good. So obviously it will be a good favor for it, but because of the peoples who motivated him and said all the things and stuffed all his mind, that's why he took that. And obviously it is getting be a very injurious for him because in which he is not good at, so obviously it will be not good for him. So the thing is, in which the people is interested always should take him. Let's get a one more example. That's just I previously said the person entered in class 10th, so obviously he should have focused on studies, but after doing the all things he just passing his time and doing the kind of stuff that is not good for him because it is the stage the marks will matter, and the marks will be matter. So obviously we will be able to take the good streams in future. But the people who doesn't focus and does not take the opportunity to get good marks, obviously they will be just getting lost in the overthinking and it will be destroyed as a mental health. So if we just focus in initially, so it would be a better chance for us. So somehow the focus will be also responsible for it. That's what is your motto, and how do you control your mind to all those things. So obviously some I so basically, I was just saying the focus is always responsible for those all things that you how set your goals and what do you want to be in the future. Somehow at stage you just took a wrong step and it will all destroy your whole future. So anytime if you always do a thing, so just do the thing as if you're interested in. If you are not, so just leave it there, otherwise you will be just get a negative future. So I'm just saying that the impact will be negative. So the conclusion comes after those all thing is that always set a motto in which you are interested. If you are not, just leave it at that stage, otherwise you will be see a negative thing that will destroy your future. always go on that things that you are good at. Don't listen to the peoples who are forcing you. Just do the thing that you are capable of, and always do the thing that you can do. That's all.